Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instapot hard apple cider brats. Let's begin. We have here 2 bell peppers all sliced up. And also we have here 2 white onions sliced up. Okay, let's start cooking. The first thing we're going to do is brown up the brats. We're going to push, saute on the Instapot. And we're just going to let it heat up first. Next we're going to add the brats in. Looking good so far. We're gonna flip them over. Check it just to make sure they're not burnt. Try to flip them over and cook them all evenly, all around. Rotate them periodically, so that you can brown up all the sides. Okay, let's pick them up. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add in the sliced up green pepper and the sliced up white onion. Mix around the white onions and green pepper with the butter. Try to melt out the butter too. Try to brown up the white onions and the green pepper. It's looking good. We're just going to lightly sprinkle some salt. Like that. And just a little bit of black pepper. Okay, it's nicely browned up. It's looking good. We're going to turn off saute mode. Next, we're going to add Angry Orchard hard cider. I'm going to pour it in. There you go. This is a 12-ounce can. Next, we're going to deglaze the pot. We're going to screw up the bottom and make sure that there's no food or burnt food stuck on the bottom. We're going to add the brats back in. This is a very large Instapot. You might need more or less of hard cider, depending on the size of your Instapot. You want the brats to be submerged. There you go. Make sure to use enough hard cider beer so that the brats are partially submerged. And let's close it up. Okay, it's in the locking close position. We're going to push pressure cook, and we're going for 6 minutes. And we're going to let it heat up, and we'll be back. The red pin has gone up. That means it's almost fully preheated. The Instapot has fully preheated, and the timer has started for 6 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 minutes on high pressure, and we're going to let it naturally release for 8 minutes, and we'll be back. We let it naturally release for 8 minutes. Now we're going to fully release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Looking good. We're going to take the brats out first. Next, we're going to take out the green peppers and white onions. Okay, let's assemble the brats. Next, we're going to take some of the vegetables and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today: Instapot hard apple cider brats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.